Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're all doing good. So we are back on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, and we are going to study from People and Places. Class 4, chapter number 19, last chapter, our national symbols. So we feel the oneness in the country. How? Because we have some national symbols, we have national anthem, we have national song. As we know that our national anthem is Jana Gana Man and national song is Vande Mataram. In this chapter, we are going to study our national symbols and national anthem about how they evolved, who wrote them. In this chapter, we are going to cover all the national things which we have been studying from class 1. So let's get started now. Our country is India. Our religions, races, languages, dress and food may be different, but we are one at heart. हमारी कंट्री इंडिया है. एज वी नो इट इज़ अ डाइवर्स कंट्री. इट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट रिलीजियंस, डिफरेंट कास्ट, डिफरेंट रेस. All the religions, races, languages, dress, food are different in this country, but we are all same at a heart. Our country is one. We are all Indians. So if we go to the another country, what do we call ourselves? We call ourselves Indians, right? Thus there is unity and diversity. और यही चीज़ है जो unity and diversity इंडिया के बारे में इतने अच्छे से explain करता है कि इतना diverse होने के बाद भी इंडिया कैसा इतना united है. We all celebrate Independence Day on 15th August and Republic Day on 26th January every year. हर साल हम Independence Day मनाते हैं. On 15th August and 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. They remind us that we all belong to a single nation, that is India. So these days are celebrated, and what does they show? It shows that we are all from same country, that is India. Our national flag, national anthem, national emblem are our national symbols or bonds of unity. जो हमारा national flag है, national anthem है या फिर national emblem है, ये सब क्या है? national symbols है basically, और एक unity के bond है. basically ये दिखाता है कि how we all are united. They constantly remind us for our common nationhood, we must respect them. ये हमें basically यही दिखाता है कि हम सब क्या हैं, एक ही nation से हैं. Despite of being from different religions, every person from different community, from different religion, come forward on these national festivals to celebrate these days together, right? So we should respect these days well and respect these all the flag, anthem, song, emblem as they are our national, so they are our national symbol and they are the bonds of our unity. Now our national flag, the national flag, the tricolor or tiranga is a symbol of our freedom and unity. जो national flag है, it is also known as tricolor, as we know, because it is made up of 3 colors. And Hindi we also call it tiranga. It is a symbol of our freedom and unity. ये हमारी freedom और unity दोनों का symbol है. Our national flag is rectangular in shape. So we can see that our flag is like this. It is rectangular in shape. Its length is 1 and half time its width. अगर उसकी length 2 है, sorry, अगर उसकी length 2 है और तो उसकी जो width रहेगी वो basically width के half length होती है. मतलब अगर 2 आपकी 2 for example 2 centimeter अगर आपकी width है तो उसका half centimeter आपकी length रहेगी. It has 3 bands of equal portions. यहाँ पे 3 colors होते हैं which are divided in equal portions. The upper band is saffron, जिसे हम केसरी बोलते हैं हिंदी में. This color is your saffron, and lower one is green. In the middle, the band is of white color which has a blue chakra which is known as Ashoka chakra, and it has the 24 spokes. इसके अंदर 24 spokes होते हैं. The upper one is केसरी, middle is white, and last one is green. Now national flag is also called tricolor. इसे हम tricolor बोलते हैं as it made of 3 colors. Every color on the flag has special meaning and significance. हर color का flag पे अपना एक meaning है, अपनी एक importance है. Saffron color stands for bravery and sacrifices. So what does saffron color stands for? It stands for bravery and sacrifices which Indians have made to get the freedom. Now white color, it is for peace and truth. So what does white color stand for? It stands for peace and truth. Green color is for prosperity and green color shows prosperity. The chakra was used by Ashoka as a symbol of dharma or righteousness. So जो अशोका थे, the ruler, उन्होंने इस चक्र को as a symbol use किया था for ऑफ धर्म, मतलब धर्म इज जो आप रिलीजन बेसिकली फॉलो कर रहे हो, ये राइटियसनेस की जो चीज सही है। तो अशोका ने उस चक्र को इस चीज के लिए सिंबल यूज किया था, but now it is the symbol of progress of the nation. Basically, now what does Ashoka Chakra shows? It shows the progress of the nation. The national flag is hoisted at all the important government buildings in the country. जितनी भी important buildings है country की which are owned by the government, the national flag is hoisted there. While hoisting the flag, the saffron band should always be at the top. So there are some things which we should remember while hoisting the flag. That is, the saffron color should always be on the top. It should flutter at the top of the mast, और जिस पे भी वो hoist किया जाएगा basically वो बिल्कुल top पे होना चाहिए. Whenever the national flag is being hoisted, we must stand at attention and salute it. और जब भी national flag hoist किया जाएगा, we should always stand in front of it, in attention and salute it. Now, national anthem. Every free nation has national anthem. जो nations, जितने भी सारे free nations है, which are independent, they all have their national anthems. We also have national anthem which is Jan Gan Man. Now, the unity of our motherland is told in the national anthem. हमारे इसके through national anthem के through हमें हमारी unity के बारे में जो है बताया जाता है. It brings in us feeling of togetherness. Basically जो हमारा anthem है ये हमें togetherness की feeling देता है. We sing it together in one voice on national festivals and at important functions. So we sing it on when the national festivals are celebrated or on the important functions also. Sometimes its tune is played by a band, and most of the time you will see that the tune of the national anthem is played by a band. Our national anthem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem. Here are the words of our national anthem and its English version by Tagore himself. So this is the national anthem in Hindi and it is the English translation of the national anthem. You can read both of these, so you will get how it shows the feeling of unity and togetherness. Now we must show, I will read English version for you once. Though art the ruler of the minds of all the people, dispenser of India's destiny, thy name rouses the hearts of Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat and Maratha, of Dravida and Odisha and Bengal. It echoes in the hills of Vindhya and the Himalayas, mingles in the music of the Yamuna and Ganga, and it is chanted by the waves of the Indian Ocean. They pray for the blessings and sing thy praise. The saving of people waits in thy hands. Though dispenser of India's destiny, victory, victory, victory to the thee. So this is the English version of our national anthem. You can give it a read. You can also watch a YouTube video if you want to understand it word by word. Now we must show respect to our national anthem. जैसे हमें अपने सारे national symbols के लिए respect show करनी चाहिए, we should also do same with the anthem. You might have seen in the movies theater when national anthem is played, everyone stands up and sing along. When we sing it or hear it being sung, we must stand at attention. जब आप गा रहे हो और even if you are hearing it, if someone is singing, so you should stand at attention. We must not talk or move about during that time. So when national anthem is played, we should not talk and we should just stand at that point of time. We also have a national song beginning with Vande Mataram written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So India also have a national song in other than the national anthem, which is your Vande Mataram, and it is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Now our national emblem. We see our emblem on currency notes, coins, stamp, papers and official letters. So you will get this emblem, you will get to see this emblem in all the notes, all the currency. Otherwise you can check, just take a note of any rupees and you will check, you will get to see the national anthem there, national emblem there. It is also seen on the books published by the government. So you will see the national anthem on the emblem on the books as well, which are published by the government. What does it represent? It represents the authority of the nation. So basically जिसके ऊपर भी national emblem होगा वो ये दिखाएगा कि इस चीज के ऊपर government की authority है. Now the national emblem has been taken from the Ashoka pillar of Sarnath, which has 4 lions standing on an abacus. So ये कहाँ से लिया गया है? ये national emblem कहाँ से evolve हुआ है? We got it from the Ashoka pillar which are built at Sarnath. It has 4 lions basically which are standing on an abacus. Only 3 lions. कभी भी आप ये वाला एम्बलम देखोगे तो आपको एक बारी में सिर्फ 3 lions ही नजर आएंगे. Only 3 lions are visible from one side, so 4th is hidden. So 3 लाइन नजर आते हैं और फोर्थ वाला हिडन होता है. In the center of the abacus there is a chakra. Abacus के सेंटर में क्या है? चक्र है. The same chakra is on national flag also, which is your Ashoka chakra. To the left of the wheel is a horse and bullets on the right. So उसके left में आपको horse मिलेगा, right में आपको bull मिलेगा. The words Satyameva Jayate are written in Devanagari script below the abacus. It means truth alone wins. So other than that, there are the words Satyameva Jayate which are written in Hindi, basically Devanagari script. What does this show? What does Satyameva Jayate means? It means truth wins alone. हमेशा सच की जीत, सच हमेशा के लिए जीतता है. Now, other than national symbols, anthems, other than national anthem, national flag and national emblem, we have some symbols as well. First is your national flower, which is lotus, national animal, which is your tiger, and your national bird, which is your peacock. So these are some national symbols of our country. Every country has their national animal, national fruit, national flowers. So these are the national symbols of India, that is lotus, your flower, tiger animal, bird is a peacock. Now classroom activity, take the correct words. First, our national flag is square or rectangular in shape. So it is basically rectangular in shape. The emblem shows 3 or 4 lions sitting standing on a abacus. Emblem shows 4 lions standing on the abacus. Let me just check once. It is standing or sitting. The emblem shows currency notes and it also seen on the books by the government and the authority, the national emblem. They are standing on the emblem. We can see in the emblem, you can check the emblem, they are standing on the abacus. Now, third, national anthem is a symbol of our diversity or unity. So, the national anthem is a symbol of the unity. Our national bird is peacock. Now, the Ashoka chakra has 24 or 16 spokes. So, it has 24 spokes. Take the correct answer first. Our national flag has dash horizontal bands in different colors. It has 3 bands, saffron, white and green. Now, our national anthem was written by, so who wrote our national anthem? It was Rabindranath Tagore. Our national animal is, so it is tiger. Next. Our national flower is, so it is lotus. Now our national song, so song is Vande Mataram. Don't get confused because our national song is Vande Mataram, anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Now take the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. First, there is unity in diversity in our country. Yes, India is known for its unity and diversity. So this is true. Our national flag is also called tricolor also. Yes, it is also known as tricolor. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote our national anthem. No, he wrote our national song. So this is not correct. Our national flower is rose. No, it is lotus. This is also wrong. National emblem can be seen on currency notes. Yes, it can be seen on currency notes. Now, answer the following questions. First, what is the significance of the national symbols? So, to know this answer, we will mark this answer on first page of the chapter. Basically, you can write the national festivals here. Instead of the national festivals, remind us that we belong to the single nation India. Our national flag, anthem and national emblem are our nation symbols and the bonds of our unity. They constantly remind us for our common nationhood, we must respect them. So, this is the significance of your national symbols. This is your answer number 1. Second, what is the meaning of 3 colors and chakra of our national flag? So, we have studied about our 3 colors of the flag on the first page only. So, you will get the answer here. Saffron color stands for bravery and sacrifice. White color for peace and truth. Green color for prosperity. From here you can write about the 3 colors and let's see the chakra now. And chakra, it is the symbol of progress of the nation. So this is your answer number 2. You can write these 2 points in your answer number 2. The 3 color, what 3 color shows, and this is what chakra shows. Now question number 3. What should we do when national flag is being hoisted? So, when national flag being hoisted, we should stand in attention and salute it. So, whenever the national flag is being hoisted, we must stand at attention and salute it. So this is your answer number 3. And this is your answer number 2. Don't get confused between 2 and 3. You will get in the last paragraph, you will get the answer number 3 in the last line. Now, question number 4. How can you show respect to the national anthem? So, let's move to second page. How can you show respect to the national anthem? So, we must show respect to our national anthem. When we sing it or hear it being sung, we must stand at attention. We must not talk or move about during that time. So, that is how we can show respect to our national anthem. So, this is your answer number 4. Now, question number 5. How is national anthem sung? So, same. How it is sung? You can write, we sing it together in one voice on national festivals and at important functions. Sometimes its tune is played by the band. So, in this answer, you can write 2 points. This is your answer number 5. First point of answer number 5. And second point, what you can write? When we sing it or hear it, we must stand at attention. We must not talk or move during that time. So, you can write this point as well in answer number 5. So, don't get confused between answer number 4th and 5th. Now, question number 6. Where is our national emblem taken from? So, our national emblem is taken from the pillars of the Ashokas which are built at Sarnath. You will also get this answer here. The national emblem has been taken from Ashoka pillar of Sarnath, which has 4 lions standing on abacus. So, this is your answer number 6. So, we have completed the chapter. We have done the question answers as well and the exercises. And I hope you have watched the video fully with us. And I hope you have understood it better. So, if you have any problem, you can watch it again. Thank you so much. Happy learning.